This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Hyperliquid with MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is connected to the correct network. Next, confirm you have sufficient funds, including a small amount for transaction fees. Finally, we'll walk through using a decentralized exchange to swap your existing cryptocurrency for Hyperliquid tokens. This guide makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. Before buying Hyperliquid, you need to prepare your MetaMask wallet. If you haven't already, install the official MetaMask extension in your browser. Then, fund your wallet with a cryptocurrency like Ethereum or BNB, depending on the network you'll use. Finally, select the correct blockchain network within MetaMask, such as Arbitrum or Binance Smart Chain, to ensure compatibility with Hyperliquid. Now, let's perform the swap. Go to a reputable decentralized exchange that lists Hyperliquid. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange. In the swap interface, select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade, like USD or ETH, as your from token. Then, choose Hyperliquid as your to token. Always double-check the token contract address to avoid scams. After initiating the swap on the exchange, a MetaMask notification will appear. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount of Hyperliquid you'll receive and the associated gas fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction within your MetaMask wallet. Once the transaction is processed, your new Hyperliquid tokens will appear in your MetaMask balance. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.